Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel of Tech with Divyansu. Today are covering on of the most fundamental topic in computer network of the physical layer and transmission media and data transmission mode. Okay, by the end this video you will be clear understand how data move both through and wire and through the air with real life of example that make of example of presentation and super easy. Okay, let's start. First of a physical layer. Okay, OSI layer, the first of a physical layer of what is main job the physical layer. Okay, suppose a question, what is main job the physical layer? It handle it handle the row of transfer of bits 0 of 1 over a physical medium. It's a converts a digital data into a physical signal like an electrical voltage and light pulses or radio waves. Okay, suppose a real life example of a think of the physical layer like the physical roads and highway in a city cars and data need to solid physical road, okay, to travel from a point A to B. Suppose a key of this, okay, define a mechanical of a specification cable of a connectors of electrical voltage level and data bits and rate and signal of transmission mode. Okay, then suppose of a physical layer of, okay, 0 of and 1. Then again of a transmission media. Okay, transmission media is a now how the this signal and travels there travels to through a transmission media that divide a transmission media into a two main categories. Okay, guided media and unguided media. Okay, suppose are a guided of transmission media of a twisted wire cable. Okay, first a twisted wire cable, sorry, a twisted wire cable. Okay, the first of the twisted wire cable is a constant of the pair of instead of copper wire and twisted together to reduce of electromagnetic of interference. Okay, of the real of example of the standard of Ethernet cable Cat 5 and Cat 6, you plug into your Wi-Fi, then router of desktop of PC. Okay, this of image of a Ethernet cable. Okay, Ethernet cable. Next of a coaxial cable. Coaxial cable inserted a layer of metals and slides and outer jacket. It a care higher frequency of signal than a twisted pair. Okay, suppose a real life example of the thick black or white cable connected our TVs and set-top box of this recovery. Okay, then optical fiber cable. Again, optical fiber cable. There are no image or a K screen. Okay, I had some mistake for me. Okay, then start. Okay, finally the fast all optical fiber of insert of a electrical signal and through copper is transmitted data as a light pulse and through things and standard of a glass. Okay, the using of a principle of total of internal and reference. Okay, then after the key advantage of ultra high and speed and zero electrical interference over longer distance. Okay, the real life example of high speed of fiber and broadband connection like a Geo fiber or a Airtel. Okay, uh, again of wireless media and Wi-Fi. Okay, Bluetooth. Okay, first wireless. Okay, Wi-Fi. A Wi-Fi use a high frequency radio waves to connect to device and wireless and within a local area network, LAN. Okay, first video computer network, second video of computer network of LAN. Okay, then go to watch my video and learn a proper learn. Okay, then next real life example of connecting your smartphone to your home or official router and without any cables. Okay, second, a Bluetooth R is designed for a short range wire connection of personal area network or PAN. Okay, PAN usually within a 10 meters. Okay, 10 meters. Real life example of pairing your smartphone with wireless and earbuds for smartphones. Okay, next, radio and frequency. Okay, radio frequency, again then again of interpret of waves of high frequency light wave for a very short range and line of the shortage and communication of interpret of signal. Okay, connect a pass through and solid walls. And next of satellites of communication of use a highly frequency of microwave and really via installation over botting of outer place and achieve goals and wireless and communications. Suppose a real life example of a satellite and for GPS of a navigation on your phone, then direct to home DTH cables. Okay, and install a TV or start of link of internet connection. Okay, next again of data transmission mode. Okay, now let's talk of about a data transmission mode, the define of a direction of data flow. Okay, between two connected of device there are three models. Okay, first of simplex. Okay, direction sim simplex. Okay, first a simplex of a unidirectional one way only. Okay, suppose a communication of strictly of hello undirectional of suppose a real of example of keyword to PC or FM radio and broadcast. Okay, you can only listen, you cannot be talk back. Okay, second of a half duplex of a this communication of a bidirectional but one way time. Okay, not a simultaneously of both a device can no direction at a time of if one of sending their walkie talkie. Okay, there of a walkie talkie. Okay, and last of a full duplex. Full, full duplex are a bidirection of a simultaneously of smartphone and calls. Both of peoples can talk of listening the text of same time. Okay, then again of quick communication of directional of unidirectional one way sending receiving channel capacity and a real life examples. Okay, half duplex, full duplex. Okay, then next of okay, then again of if you found this explain of helpful and same the like buttons and subscribe of our computer network tutorial my and drop a comment and below which a mode of transmission does a television and remote use. Let us see one answer and correctly first see. Okay, then thank you so much. Bye bye.